Guys, I wanted to show you this Lick Safe Paw and Nose Balm that I received from the company they sent me to try out. This is like made out of all natural ingredient. You can see that my dog is pretty interested in actually licking it already. It's organic, it's food grade, so all things that I look for putting on my pet. This could be used on her paws as well as her nose. It could also be used on other animals. So, you know, if you want it for a cat or maybe a horse, it doesn't matter. You just rub it into your hands and then put it on their paws, and it like goes in pretty quick and it's not really greasy. It does have a scent to it. It smells kind of like a coconut. You can see she doesn't mind at all that I'm doing this. It's good for like here in the Northeast, there's a lot of snow and, you know, her paws are definitely getting affected and kind of cracked because of that. So that's what this is for. But it's also good like in the summer months, if the pavement's really hot, to kind of protect their paws and give it moisture. So this is just like a product that I think is great to have around. And again, it's food grade, organic, and natural. So really happy with this product, and I would definitely pick it up. I wanted to show you what it looks like up close. It's kind of just like a white, you know, like it looks like a white gel. So you get a lot in this tin, which is really nice, and then it's stored easily. So really happy with this product.